Today we are doing an engine flush using diesel.
So let me say this up front. There are different ways to do this. What I'm about to share is just the way I like to do it. It works for me and it keeps my engine running clean and smooth. Other people have their own way of flushing their engine, and that's okay. So, first things first, I drain all the old oil out of the engine. You want to get all of it out because that's what's been holding all the dirt, all the particles and sludge that build up over time. Oil starts to collect carbon. That's why it's good to flush your engine every now and then. Once the old oil is out, here's what I like to do. I take about 750 millimeters of diesel and pour it straight into the engine. Diesel has really good cleaning properties and it's thin, so it flows through every corner inside. So it dissolves all the sludge. After that, I fire up the engine. Now, I don't let it run for long. I just give it a little bit of throttle and I shift through the gears gently. And I let it run for around 40 seconds to a minute. If you let it go too long, you are running your engine with no proper lubrication, and that can cause wear. So keep it short. Once that minute's up, I drain everything out again, every last drop. And you'll notice that diesel comes out pretty dark, and that's all the dirt and sludge that it pulls out of the engine. And that's exactly what we want. After that, I go ahead and add fresh engine oil, just like you normally would, and that's it. Now, I do want to throw in a quick word of caution here. Diesel is not a lubricant. It doesn't protect your engine. And if you filled your engine with straight diesel, you should never let it run for more than a minute tops. Also, don't do this after every oil change. This is more like an occasional thing, maybe once a year or 2 years. And if your bike has an oil filter, you absolutely have to change it after doing this. And like I said, there are different ways of doing this. Some folks mix the diesel and the old oil and leave their engine running longer, like 5 to 10, 15 minutes. And it also works. I like this method because it takes way less time